kitchen. So today we are making pot roast and brown gravy sandwiches. So I wanted to thank everybody for supporting my channel, and all my returning viewers, I want to say thank you. And all of my new viewers, I want to say welcome. And don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's make beef chuck roast and brown gravy sandwiches. For our beef and brown gravy sandwiches, you're going to need the following: olive oil, beef broth, pepper, salt, onions, hamburger buns, brown gravy mix, and a beef chuck roast. So the first thing we need to do is get our onions chopped up. And I've got me a little trash bowl over here. And now that we've got our onions ready, we're going to move on to getting our chuck roast prepared. So I have my beef chuck roast, and this is about a 3-pound roast. And so we are going to generously season this with salt and pepper. And I'm using a coarse pepper for mine. And then we're going to just press this into our roast. And then we're going to flip it over. And we're going to repeat the process on the other side. So we have some olive oil that's heated up in a pan on a medium-high heat. And to this, we are going to add in our chuck roast. And we're going to sear this on each side for about 3 to 5 minutes. So we've got us a good sear on all sides of our roast. So now we're going to move over to our crock pot and continue making our chuck roast and brown gravy sandwiches. So we have our crock pot, which is set to high. And so we're going to cook this on high for 2 to 3 hours till the beef is tender. If you want, you can cook this on low for 6 to 8 hours till the beef is tender as well. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take half of our onions and put them on the bottom. And I'm losing them all across the place. I'll fix my peel, throw that away. Then we are going to place our roast on top, and any drippings that are in our plate. Set this out here, and I'm adding about a cup of beef broth to mine. And then we are going to place the remainder of our onions on top, and we're going to lid this up and let this cook on high. So this has been going for a good 4 hours. Oh yeah. All right, this is ready to be shredded up. So we're going to get this shredded up, and then we'll be back and continue mixing everything up together for our sandwiches. All right, so we've got our chuck roast all shredded up, and I'm going to put this back into my crock pot. And now we're going to get our gravy together. So I've got some beef broth in a bowl, and I am going to mix in my brown gravy mix. And you can use whichever mix you prefer, but I have a preference of using the Louisiana brown gravy mix because I like the spices and the flavoring that it offers. So now now we are going to dump this over our roast and give this a good mix. And then we're going to put our lid back on it and let this go for another 30 minutes or so. All right, so we have everything ready. So the first thing we're going to do is put us a little bit of mayo on the top and the bottom of our bun, our toasted bun. And there we go. I like a lot of mayo on mine. Then we're going to take our beef and gravy, and we're going to set that on the bottom half. And now we are going to top this with some provolone cheese. And there we go. Now it's time to give this a try. Now that we've got our beef chuck roast brown gravy sandwiches all plated up and put together, let's give this a try. Now be prepared, this is going to be messy. I was right. This is messy, but it is oh so good. So, I really do hope y'all give this recipe a try. And as always, I want to thank you for helping to support my channel. For my returning viewers, welcome. And I want to say thank you for everything that you helped me accomplish on my channel. For my new viewers, welcome. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. So, y'all have a good afternoon. And definitely give this recipe a try. So, I'm going to finish off this sandwich, and I may end up just making another one.